See, I love my Ringo. I love my little Ringo. I love my Ginger. Yeah, we play. This is Ginger's chair. Ginger Snap loves this chair. That's her bed and her blankie. And that's her boyfriend Ringo, who she plays with all the time. They love to play. Oh, here we go. Don't fall out, Ginger.